I'll bet Spooky scared somebody. Yeah, he did. Little Billy. Look at him run. Hey, Billy! Come on in, Billy. You're little and friendly, Casper, but there's a big, mean ghost in the house. That's Spooky. Want to meet him? Oh. Are you sure you saw him, Billy? Well, not exactly, but I heard him. Oh, there it is again. Let me out of here! Billy, it's just Spooky.
I made myself too dim, Casper. Billy can't see me. Oh, what a sissy kid.
Spooky, stop that. I'm gonna teach him a lesson. So you're gonna give Billy your super-duper boo, are you, Spooky? Well, here's a mirror so you can see how you look.
Boo!
Help! Next time, Casper, I'll take a good look before I run away. And now Spooky knows how it feels to be scared.